Welcome back to Nordic Arms and History. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the bolt out of your Norwegian Krag-Jørgensen rifle. The process is the same for every single Krag that is Norwegian, so I'll be using this 1894 as an example, and let's jump straight into it. Here we have my Krag close-up here. To start the process of removing the bolt, it starts off as any other bolt-action rifle. You pull out the bolt here, make sure that rifle's clear, which it is. And the process of removing this bolt can be quite finicky, and it might take some practice, but it all revolves around this extractor claw right here. And it is in fact spring-loaded. As you can see, it does move up when I push it up with my thumb here. Some are tight, some are loose. It really depends on the Krag. All you have to do is pull it all the way back so that the locking lug is touching the receiver in the rear. Push up this extractor claw, and then rotate the rifle or the bolt at the same time, and it should pop out like this. Once this is popped out, you can rotate it 90 degrees so that the locking lug clears the cutout in the back here, and you'll be able to pull out the bolt straight like that. And once that is out, you'll see that this extractor is actually hinged like this. And all you have to do to put this back is just the opposite. All you have to do then is line up the bolt with the locking lugs, pull it in like so. You'll see it'll start to cam, but of course you need the extractor claw to follow. So what you do is, once it starts to cam, you push the extractor claw inwards so it starts to rotate with the bolt, and it'll snap in place like that. I'll show you one more time. Let me just get the extractor up again. I'll try and get a better angle here. So all you have to do, you can also pressure it here. Once it's in like so, you push so that it starts to want to go into those slots. And once it snaps like that, it's in. As you can see then, the bolt is back. Another really interesting thing, or not an interesting thing, but what can happen if you've removed your bolt, and you might have, done some service onto it or anything like that, you might see that the trigger latch here has fallen into this position. Once it's like this, you cannot put it back in. So keep in mind, if your bolt is with the locking lug facing down like so, it's not correct. Make sure that if you're going to put your bolt back in, I normally do it like this, where I put my thumb on this piece right here, my finger on the bolt like there. You pull back the firing pin, and then you rotate up until it engages with that sear again, like that. Then it's just as I said earlier, simply as just put it in like this, thumb on this, lock it like that, and you're good to go. All right, everyone, I hope you were able to put your bolt back into your rifle after you accidentally removed it without knowing how to put it back in. I did that when I got my first Krag. And if you guys want any more videos, feel free to comment them down below. I'm going to be doing a mag disassembly, the whole magazine system. It's quite simple as well. It's just, yet again, you need to learn how to do it. And if you feel like this video deserves it, or if it helped you put the bolt back into your rifle, leave it a like. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.